AI embroidery videos are going viral across social media right now. Millions of people are watching these satisfying creations every day. Take a look at this Instagram channel. It has over 67.1K followers, and many of its videos have reached 25.9 million views. Almost every upload attracts hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. Now watch this video. I created it in just 5 minutes using AI. Now let's get started. First, open the video description and copy the prompt I've provided. Once the prompt is ready, copy the first scene prompt. Then head over to Google Flow. Before pasting the prompt, click the 3 dots at the top and upload your reference image. After the image is uploaded, simply copy and paste the first scene prompt into the prompt box. After that, open the video option, select the Omni Flash model, and set the video length to 10 seconds. Then simply hit Generate, then move to the last frame of the video and save that frame as an image. We'll use this image as the reference for the next scene. Then click the 3 dots and select Animate. After that, simply copy and paste your second prompt into the prompt box. Finally, hit the Generate button. In just a few seconds, your next video clip will be ready. That's it. Once your videos are generated, download each video to your device. Now import all your video clips into your favorite video editing platform. Once everything looks perfect, click Export to create your finished video print. That's it. Your complete video is now ready. Let's take a look at the final result and see what you've created in just a few minutes using AI.